Let's meet up! Hello everyone, I'm Willem Osich. Welcome to Botsplash TV, where I'll be going over the power of meetups. Meetups are a great way to increase networking opportunities. Hosting meetups or other networking sessions and gatherings allows for business professionals to come together and interact. Sometimes it can be particularly difficult for a certain niche or business group to foster external relationships and even hold networking opportunities. So creating a meetup can be really helpful in finding others that match your business talents and interests. Chat, Chew, and Brew is a concept we've launched here at Botsplash, where we select a meeting place here in Charlotte, North Carolina, and invite as many as we can for a couple of hours for drinks and socialization. So be sure to look out for our next Chat, Chew, and Brew announcements, and we'll see you at our next meetup. I'm Willem Osich, and thank you for watching Botsplash TV.